so much for coming back for another video. I am creating an intimate Christmas tablescape for two. I have these beautiful silver lamps that I'm going to put on each side.
A year since she left us, we still can't talk about it. By the way, happy holiday. Dad's off the deep end, he just won't admit it. We've tried sending podcasts, but I don't think he's listening. I love him, I miss her. Nothing's been the same here. We're trying, he means well. What more can I ask for? By the way, happy I'm so glad you're here. We've lost so much, and we have plenty. Paid for holes and stitched and molded back. We're tired and happy. Gather, we gather. I love when we gather. The snow's falling slower. We keep getting older. Gather, we gather. Near and far we gather. The grandkids, the cousins, the one without a husband. I missed you, you're grown now. We've gotten by somehow. A year since she left us, we still can't talk about it. By the way, happy holiday. Dad's off the deep end, he just won't admit it. We've tried sending podcasts, but I don't think he's listening. I love him, I miss her. Nothing's been the same here. We're trying, he means well. What more can I ask for? By the way, happy I'm so glad you're here. We've lost so much, and we have plenty. Paid for holes and stitched and molded back. We're tired and happy. Gather, we gather. I love when we gather. The snow's falling slower. We keep getting old. Gather, we gather. Near and far we gather. The
That is it
grandkids, the
for this intimate, beautiful Christmas tablescape. Thank you for coming back and watching another video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And please continue coming back for the rest of the month for Vlogmas. Don't let anyone disturb your peace and your joy this Christmas holiday. You know, there are a lot of demonic demons running around in this world. And you got to learn how to kick them to the curb, dump the trash, and have your peace. Be blessed, guys.